What? I have my coupon.
There's lots of sticks and stuff, bud.
I found my mouth. What happened?
Hold on, sweetie.
Can I see it?
Here.
Hey, Dylan, can you show me?
Oh, that's perfect, buddy. Very good job. Yeah, pick some more, buds.
Oh! Get it good. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Get that pirate. Get that pirate. Yeah! All right. Go get it. Big hit, Dylan.
Here he comes. Get him. All right. Oh, it's going to be a Cardinal someday. That guy.
All right. There you go. Someone else's turn, buddy.
Pirates. They're going to have a special at Stadium July the 6th. And they're giving away a replica of the Cardinal ring.
There you go.
A better one than they gave before. So I'm trying to come up with 4 tickets and see if I can't get the kids some of those rings. I've seen them. You can't tell. July the 6th, sold out. It's already sold out. You can't get a ticket.
What's wrong, Kelly? You don't want a pirate in your face?
There's one there for you. Yeah. You want that one? Look at that. Let me feel your muscle, Kayla. Where's your muscle? Whoa.
Get it.
Yeah!
Oh, my goodness. Get it again.
One more good one.
Got Rob.
Whoa, Rob, watch it.
Get him in the kneecap.
Nice job, Nikki.
You didn't want those kneecaps, did you?
Don't worry about the kneecaps.
High on the weather, though. Kelly said there's tornadoes that have been spotted up in Granite.
Really?
So,
Really? I didn't see that. My phone doesn't want to work down here. I don't know what the deal is. Is your iPhone working down here?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Internet-wise? Okay. Let's see. I have WeatherBug. Let's see if I can pull it up. I have one. Dylan's crazed.